what up, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we going over the Nama J2 juicer. This is a super duper juicer. This is a bulk juicer. This makes little pieces of fruit into gallons of juice. Like this is I don't know what they did, what type of alien technology this is, but you see the fruits here. You know, we gonna make some juice with this, and we gonna show you how to get this thing going here. There's really minimal prep with this type of juicer. You can you know, the bigger fruits we just cut up, like this pineapple right here. We take the skin off this time, but with this juicer you can actually chop it up and put it in there with the skin for the pineapple. So we're just gonna chop that up, and then we have this watermelon here. We're gonna cut that up, but of course we got to take off the skin off this watermelon here. You know, the juicer can't take that. Plus, you really don't want that skin watermelon in there anyway. So now we get that prepped up. Then we start putting the stuff into the bowl. We're throwing the little kiwis in first. You don't even have to take the skin off the kiwi. Just rinse it off. You know, all these fruits were rinsed off, so we highly recommend that you rinse off all of your fruit and everything just to get all that impurities off of there. So we put in the little berries on top of the kiwi, then we put a whole apple in. You don't have to put the whole apple in, but just for the sake of the video, we're gonna throw the whole apple in there. So then we got little carrots in there, then we close the top. Now you see the little grinding gears going on in there. Then immediately you see juice coming through there. You see the pulp coming out there, strained. Now for the softer fruit, it's not going to be super duper duper dry. However, it does take all the good stuff out of it. So you can see the bowl is just doing the work for you. You don't have to load them in one by one and, you know, stick down the little push plunger thingy that other juicers have. You just set the bowl up and let it go. And then you see the juice collecting at the bottom. And then you just release that right there, and then boom, juice is just flowing. The juices. So now you just reload the bowl up with the rest of the fruit that we have left. You just keep doing this, but if you're just making a small amount, you know, one full bowl would suffice. But since we're making, you know, enough juice for everybody in the family, we just added everything in. Now in the beginning of the video you saw the amounts there, and that's still the same amount. We actually used the whole pineapple, but not that whole watermelon though. So this juicer is powerful. I don't know how it takes all that juice from that little bit of fruit. Look at that. It looked like there's more juice than there were fruit. I don't even know how that worked. See that pulp? It squeezed the hell out of the pulp. So we just add the little bits left. We got the mango in there, a little softer fruit in there, then the apple in there, which is what we consider the hard fruit or harder fruit. And then we have the remaining of the pineapple. We put the core, the pineapple, everything goes in there. There's some nutrients in the core of the pineapple too. So you got the skin of the pineapple, or the rind, pineapple rind, and then you got the actual flesh. And here you have all the juice here. It's so much that we had to get another container to fill it up with, because the actual container that comes with the juicer, it was too full. So here you have the actual finished product of the juice, minimum foam, and now we go for the taste test. All right, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification for more videos.